I'm Steve Kramer. I'm a Florida lawyer, and today's topic is who decides whether to settle or to go to trial in your case. This is a question that a lot of people are going to have to deal with because one way or another your case is going to get resolved. Once you file suit, whether it's a divorce, a personal injury case, a foreclosure, whatever it is, you've got to make a decision. Do you settle it or do you proceed to trial? And there's a lot of factors you've got to consider. The bottom line is if you have an actual settlement offer and you or your attorney's engaged in settlement negotiations, then you may have a decision to make there, whether you want to accept that settlement or not. If you're in many types of litigation, like family law, like personal injury, like most cases, you'll wind up getting sent to mediation at some point. And mediation is, again, where you get to sit down with the other side. You sit with your attorney, they sit with their attorney, and you have a mediator that tries to work out an agreement between you. They don't make any decisions. You make the decisions. You have control over your destiny. You decide if you want to enter into a mediated settlement, but it's your decision. And you might, at that crossroads, you're going to have to make a decision. And then lastly, in order to evaluate settlement offers, in order to evaluate what you do at mediation, you want to understand what your risks are at trial and what your potential rewards are at trial, because you want to make an educated decision and you want to make the right decision. And that's why it's important that you have an attorney that you can trust and count on, and that you have a good discussion about what is the right decision for you. But ultimately, you make the decisions on how you're going to handle your case and whether you're going to accept a settlement. I'm telling you this because a lot of people are confused about how the trial process works, how settlement works, how mediation works, and I deal with this stuff all the time. And if you've got questions about this or anything else, give me a call. I'm glad to talk to you anytime. I appreciate you watching. Thanks. I'm Steve Kramer.